Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Corvette C9 Concept is a masterpiece of modern engineering and artistry, blending breathtaking design with unparalleled performance. This two-tone black and white concept car redefines the future of American supercars, capturing attention with its sculpted lines and futuristic aesthetics. Exterior design, a journey of elegance. Step by step, the front fascia greets you with sharp LED headlights, a striking V-shaped grille, and aerodynamic air intakes. The side profile flows seamlessly with angular contours and carbon fiber accents, exuding aggression and sophistication. At the rear, quad exhausts and an illuminated logo complement the sculpted spoiler. Pros: stunning visual appeal, aerodynamic efficiency. Cons: might polarize traditionalists with its bold styling. Interior design, a futuristic cocoon. Step inside, and you're enveloped in luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features a curved OLED dashboard with seamless digital controls. The seats are ergonomically crafted with Nappa leather and cooling technology, while ambient lighting adjusts to your mood. Advantages: intuitive technology, premium comfort. Disadvantages: limited rear seat space. Performance and driving experience. The C9 Concept's hybrid powertrain delivers 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 350 km/h. Advanced suspension ensures precision handling, while selectable drive modes adapt to every terrain. Pros: blistering acceleration, exceptional agility. Cons: potentially high maintenance costs, fuel economy, and price. With 7.5 liters 100 kilometers, it balances power and efficiency. Priced at €150,000, it appeals to affluent enthusiasts aged 30, 60. Competitors and summary. Facing rivals like the Porsche 911 Turbo and McLaren Artura, the C9 Concept stands out with its daring design and tech. Ideal for spirited drives and long cruises, it's the epitome of American innovation. Chevrolet Corvette, driving the future with every curve.